I will say, like, it's a little fucking jank up there.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Whotuckis here. So, 2 weeks ago, about 3 weeks, we did an E34 reveal video. We did the walk around of the exterior. We shot some of the interior. And then in that video, we also did a little quote-unquote exhaust tease, or whatever you want to call it. Not even a tease, man. Just a depressed exhaust. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cut that exhaust off, more so the muffler. We're going to cut the muffler off. We're going to bring some sounds to the car. Yeah, I can't drive around with it being grandpa spec. At first I said I liked it, but I mean, with it being a 530i, and you know, there's 525i guys right now, 600 horsepower, all the boost in the world. You got 540 guys, I think they're so cool with their extra gear and their extra leader. We got to at least do something. We got to do a little muffler delete. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to cut it off and get some sound. We're going to drive it around, see if it's good. If it's not good, maybe this will be like a part 2, part 3 series, and we'll actually get an exhaust system, you know, mocked up for this, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But anyway, so with nothing else to say, you know, let's go back there and cut that fucking muffler off. Alright, everybody, we got everything set up. Hopefully that cinematic B-roll, whatever the fuck you want to call it, worked, and just cut this fucking muffler out. Alright, so we're going to cut the shit off now. As you can see, kind of in front of the muffler a little bit. This jack is making some noises, so I might die. If I do die, maybe if I'm a ghost, I'll see a comment, a subscribe, maybe like a notification bell or something. But anyway, all right, we're gonna cut this. All right, so it's gonna be loud. Should I cut it? All right, y'all, so muffler's cut. Hanging, it's held up right now with a bracket. If I cared about that bracket, I might use a crowbar, pry bar. I'm actually just going to use a Sawzall and cut it off, because plug it. I also got that 400-pound muffler out of the E34. See nothing back there? Absolutely nothing. So let's start the shit up. Let's see what it fucking sounds like. Alright, everybody, so there's a muffler delete on a 530i E34. Hopefully you like it. If not, whatever, dislike it, like it, whatever you want to do. But all that famous YouTube stuff. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for more videos.